Hey, what's up guys? Marshall here with Azul Pool Service. Summer is here, it's very hot, and a lot of the calls that I get from homeowners is they want to know if they have a leak in the pool. This time of the year, it's very common to have 1.5 to 2 inch water loss a week. Your water drop about 1.5 to 2 inch a week is very common because it's very hot, and wind factor and all that. So the best and most inexpensive way, fast way for you to do it yourself is to do a static test. You get a bucket, you fill up with water, you get a Sharpie, you mark on the inside of the bucket where the water meets, and then you just dump it in your first step of the water. So you have the mark on the inside and you mark on the outside where the pool hits, and 24 hours or 48 hours, you see the difference between the two. If the water from the pool drops more than the water in the bucket, and you have a leak somewhere, then you can do a leak detection test. You can hire a company that does that. Or if it's the same amount, then you don't have a leak. It's just it's natural for it to drop, like I said, 1.5 to 2 inch a week. If it rains, it doesn't matter as long as you leave it. Don't add any more water in the pool for 24 hours, and you will see the difference. Okay, get any questions, give me a call, 808-384-2080, or you can visit my website at azul-hawaii.com. Mahalo.